What are you doing?
Check this out. Got something in the mail.
Wow, a box. What do you have? What is all this stuff?
You know what this is?
It says fast. It says fast.
Comp cans, baby.
Is it really?
This.
And there it is again.
It's alright.
Give me a second. B in here. Let me get rid of the B. Done. How you doing over there? Go get my lighter. What's the matter? You done with that? You done with that? Ooh, ooh. What's it? It's a magic trick. Oh! Let's get this thing done now. What is all this stuff? I see the word fast. See all kinds of good stuff.
This is comp cans, baby.
Comp
this
cans.
is from Barracuda.
I like cams. I do. What do you got? Let's bust them open.
All right.
Christmas in July. It's not July yet. You know what I'm trying to say. It's more like Thanksgiving then, right? Because it's June still. Right? Christmas, Thanksgiving in June. Ed, open it up. This is all you need these. Don't ever throw any paperwork unless you read it all.
Look at that writing.
Cam.
Let's see. Let's pull it out.
See, you haven't opened enough cam boxes in your day. Opens like this. Gently. Okay? Never throw any of the papers that come out of the cam or any of the other boxes out unless you read them all. These are your cam specs. If you have any questions, they're all going to be on here.
Ooh, it's blue.
Yeah, it's blue. Yeah, it's blue. Hama-hi. It's blue. Hama-hi. Oh, that's nice. Look at that lobe. It's a big. You can just look at it.
Smell it. It smells like that grease. Next box. Okay.
It does. It smells awesome. Take a sniff. I like it. I did it. You don't do that.
I think these are lifters.
I can open can boxes. I just can't close them.
No, these are valve springs. Never mind.
Oh man, he gave you new valve springs. That's awesome. When a car sits for a long period of time in like one spot, like 10 years at a time, change even sooner. Change the springs. Especially if it's performance, you're going drag racing and everything. Change the springs. Don't fool around. Man, yeah. Look at that.
A spring.
Yep. Beautiful, beautiful. You were just talking to Gus's son on the phone.
Yes.
And look at it, it's here already.
Oh, what is me?
Oh! Now listen.
Oh!
Well, check this out, man. This is awesome. This is perfect. Yo. Oh, wow, this is great. This is crazy.
I like this one.
It's a band.
A bana. Check these out. Tappets. You know what they do? It locks the spring into the valve. Aren't they beautiful?
Fender covers. Oh, man.
Ooh.
They smell like chemicals. I love it. This is awesome. Let's put everything over here. Got more stuff in here.
Oh man, they're beautiful. These are solid roller lifters. You know why they have wheels? Less friction. And they're 10 times stronger.
Man, there's more stuff. Oh, what's that, banner?
This is banner, yes.
Let's bust it open. Yeah. What do you got? 2 banners?
Yeah, one's a Russell.
Wow, this is...
Oh, I'm hot.
Hold on. Mate, they got more stuff? Whoa, this is crazy. We got 2 shirts. Didn't even see the Chevy.
The never-ending shirts.
Well, why don't you put something down before you... Here, we'll just open one. What are they shirts from where? Here, I can't put all the stuff out. It's too much.
Hold this. I'm dropping everything.
Everything. Wow, you got a lot of shirts, bro.
There's so many shirts.
Wish I had something heavy. Giuseppe, give me $2.
Go ahead, they're in the thing.
Go ahead, I can't let go.
No!
Good job. Is that everything?
That's everything for that one box. Aren't they beautiful?
Yes, they is.
Look, they got roller bearings inside. Bearing over here. Beautiful. It's gorgeous.
And they're fully adjustable. There is no hydraulic system, so this you're gonna have to use a
Feeler gauge.
feeler gauge
Yes.
when you put these suckers on there.
I love these rock arms over here. They made me an offer I can't refuse. Now this is a token of my appreciation. From me to you. Hey.
Give me this. That hurt.
Look what they gave to my boy.
I forgot what he sounds like.
Before you open this box, I just want you to look in the camera and tell everybody how appreciative you are of everything that they did for you. This is wonderful. You got eye buggers. Look at what Camshaft gave to my boy. Look at all the stuff Camshaft gave to my boy. Look at all the stuff they gave to my boy. I'm gonna cry. I gotta wipe my tears. Makes me feel so good that everybody loves my boy. Oh, this shit. This cat sheds. It got shedding all over my clothes.
Check it out. Look, they sent you stock ones too.
Wow. That's awesome. Here, kitty, you want to smell? This is a lifter. Isn't it nice?
Look at the stuff that they gave me.
They give you a lot of stuff.
They
They really
really
did.
did.
Just in tin signs and fender
Yes.
covers. Shirts. Look at this pile of shirts. This is awesome. It's crazy.
It's
Got two beautiful banners.
Another one
TCI.
over there?
I used to drag race an Nova a long time ago. I had a TCI converter in it.
Oh, no
Never
way.
had a problem. It took it and it wanted more. Yeah. They sent you the most beautiful merch. It actually gets your Chevy to look good. Then they sent you all this. This is all the parts for the Barracuda. What is this doing here? Okay. What was that?
Look, they gave me rocker arms, roller. You got the steel retainers. You got the roller lifters, camshaft, valve springs. Oh, this is insane.
It's a lot of
It really
stuff.
is,
That's
you know?
some crazy stuff. This is going to be awesome. And this is going to rock and roll. Get it? Roller. Roller. It's going to rock and roll when you put this in the car. You're going to
really
have that
is.
beautiful stumble and it's going to actually give you the performance.
Look at it. It's waiting. It's beautiful.
This is the real deal.
You know what? There's nothing else to say. So for that being said, cranking over the world.